Welcome to this simple yet effective total body calm fit meditation. I'll be guiding you through a total body reset meditation to where you'll not only calm the stress and tension in the body, but you'll also enhance your internal organ function. So let's begin in a comfortable seated position, wherever that is for you. If you're not comfortable sitting, you can lie down and relax the body. And we'll begin by just noticing the breath. Taking a breath in, pausing at the top, and releasing the breath out slowly. As you begin to breathe, focus your breath in through the nose, and then also exhaling through the nose if possible. If that's not comfortable for you, then simply exhale slowly through the mouth. Breathing in, breathing out. Think of your breath as a wave, like a wave on an ocean inside your body. Your body rises with your inhale and relaxes as a wave comes onto the shore with your exhale. Breathing in, pausing at the top, and breathing out, pausing at the bottom. Again, breathing in, filling the lungs all the way to capacity, pausing at the top, and exhaling out slowly. Now invite your body to breathe naturally, but keeping the breath steady and enough breath that you can feel that it's deeper than your normal shallow breathing, because we tend to be shallow breathers, and that can stress our internal system. So by calming the body with longer breaths, we can turn on that parasympathetic nervous system, that rest and digest. So keep your breath steady and long, and yet comfortable at the same time. And I invite you now to move through your body with your breath. So we'll shift our focus to the thyroid gland. Your thyroid gland is located at the base of your neck, like where you would wear a bow tie. Thinking about that area, breathe your breath into the thyroid gland. Imagine the thyroid gland relaxing. Imagine that gland functioning optimally. Imagine that breath invigorating the thyroid glandular cells. Feel the gland soften with your breath. Feel the gland easing tension, relaxing the whole space of the throat, surrounding the thyroid with your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Now shifting your awareness to your liver. Your liver is located under the right rib cage. Perhaps maybe you'll feel even a dull ache there. Sometimes that's indicative of a liver that needs a little extra attention. So let's bring our breath into that area, filling up the right rib cage with breath. Exhaling. On your next breath, imagine the breath going deep into the liver cells, softening the liver. Imagine the breath spreading through the liver, calming the liver. Imagine your breath softening the musculature of the liver, the muscles that surround the liver. Imagine the bile in the liver flowing free. Breathing in, breathing out. Even voicing an intention for your liver. My liver is calm as I breathe in. My liver is optimal as I breathe out. There's a lot of power in our words and our thoughts. Breathing in, breathing out. Shifting your focus now to your pancreas. Your pancreas is located on the left side rib cage, right underneath the left rib cage. And noticing what you feel there. Does it feel dull, achy there? Maybe does it feel like there's some tension there? Think about manually relaxing that area, letting the belly fall forward. And breathing your breath deep into the pancreas. Imagine the pancreas expanding with your breath and relaxing with your exhale. The pancreas and the liver work very hard for us day in and day out. So just noticing what that feels like as you breathe in, noticing any tension, and using a long, slow exhale as if you're blowing off thick black smoke of tension off of those organs. Exhale it out. Imagine that thick black smoke exhaling through the nose or the mouth, leaving the body, leaving the pancreas free of tension. And with each exhale, the smoke starts to clear a bit, becoming more like a vapor, like a clear vapor, ridding the body of all the toxins in the pancreas. And even the liver here, we can breathe into each side simultaneously, letting go of toxic chemicals through our exhale. Setting an affirmation for the pancreas and the liver. My pancreas is calm and functioning. Breathing in, my liver is calm and functioning. Shifting your awareness now to your pelvic area, those reproductive organ areas. And inviting a big breath into the lower abdomen. Whether it's male reproductive organs or female, it doesn't matter, just whatever you have, you're breathing into that area and using each exhale to calm the nerves in that area. Softening the pelvic floor. And even relaxing the anus here. We tend to hold a lot of tension, and when we do, we tend to tense up the anus quite a bit. So, as silly as it may sound, relax that area. Breathing in, breathing out, softening the lower abdomen, letting it fall forward, letting it root down into where you're seated or lying. Breathing in, my reproductive organs are healthy. Breathing out, my reproductive organs are functioning optimally. Breathing in, I am healthy. Breathing out, I am becoming better and better day by day. Shifting your awareness to the heart now. And if your heart feels a lot of palpitations, it feels to be moving fast, use a long, slow exhale to notice that and begin to feel the heart calm down. Breathing in. And on your exhale, count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in. Exhale for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. My heart is calm. Exhale. My heart is at ease. Inhale. I am calm. Exhale. I am at ease. Finally, we'll be shifting your awareness to the brain. The brain hosts a lot of activity second by second. And just for a moment, let's see if we can calm the brain while it's still doing all of the processing that it does. Can we create a calm feeling in the brain? Invite your breath up into the brain as if you're creating space around the brain with oxygen. And as you exhale, imagine the musculature, the tiny muscles of the skull relaxing. Inhale, fill the brain with oxygen. Exhale, relax the brain stem, the base of the skull, the temples, the forehead. Inhale again, fill the brain, the skull with oxygen. Exhale, relax the forehead, relax the temples, soften the base of the skull, relax the neck. Inhaling, may my brain feel calm. Exhaling, my brain is calm. Inhaling, I am safe. Exhaling, my brain is in a safe space. Inhaling, brain, you are safe. Exhaling, I am safe. Sometimes part of the stress in our nervous system is due to the lack of safety in our environment. The continual attack of EMF and Wi-Fi and radiation. And there's a power in words, there's a power in taking a moment for yourself and using a breath to calm your nervous system. Even in the midst of these things, your body will respond. You can continue this gentle relaxation of the body as long as you like. And when you're ready, move the fingers and the toes, stretch out gently, stretch the arms overhead, stretch Stretch through the toes. Take in 3 deep, healing breaths. And you're ready to take on the day in a much more calm way. Thank you for joining me. Stay fit and stay calm.